guys and girls, I bring you ARISTA by BelleTress. This is a beautiful bob style with soft tousled waves that are very chic and messy. The deconstructed layers move freely and beautifully as you wear this style. Now this style features a temple to temple 100% hand-tied sheer lace front and a 100% hand-tied left side monofilament part. Well, let's take a closer look at this beautiful chic bob style. ARISTA's wig cap features a temple-to-temple sheer 100% hand-tied lace front. The left-hand side monofilament part is also 100% hand-tied. Under this fabric mesh is a modern amount of permatease, which gives the style its shape and lift. On either side of the cap, you have velour adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back of the cap are open wefted to allow air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the velour extended nape are bra-like adjustable straps that allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Here is ARISTA. This is just a beautiful full volume bob style with plenty of deconstructed layers and curls that give you lots of body and movement. Now the cap size of ARISTA is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. This wig cap fits me a little snug right out of the box without moving the adjustable straps. In fact, I have those on the loosest setting, so I don't feel that this cap would work well for someone with a larger than 22-inch circumference head size. The fibers are heat friendly up to 350 degrees. And I love BelleTress heat-friendly fibers. They're so soft and silky. It just feels like European human hair to the touch. The lace front is beautifully done, 100% hand-tied and sheer, so it works for all skin tones. And what I love is that BelleTress has put some of the color highlights here in the front to hide the knots of darker synthetic fibers at the hairline. The 100% hand-tied left side monofilament part is very well done. Now if you wanted the parting space to be a little wider and not quite so dense, you could pluck the fibers from the parting space, but be careful not to overpluck. Let's take a look at this style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. I love that the style sits up above the collar so that you have less problems with wig frizz at the ends. Right side. The measurements at the front are 3 and 8.5 inches long because there are layers. The sides and the back are also 3 inches to 8.5 inches long. The nape is 2.5 inches long. The weight is 3.5 ounces, which is very lightweight. This wig is so comfortable to wear. Let's talk about this fantastic color. Sumptuous Strawberry. This color is a bold blend of pure red, strawberry blonde, paprika, and honey. Just gorgeous. And as I pointed out earlier, BelleTress has put some of the lighter colors here at the front hairline. Well, let's take a look at this gorgeous color outside in natural light. The style is no fuss, easy to wear. It's shake and go right out of the box. You can just put it on with some finger combing. Maybe take a comb and make your parting space more pronounced, and you are ready to go. The style does look very beautiful, tucked behind the ear. Now, if you're interested in purchasing ARISTA, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. They carry ARISTA in all of the beautiful BelleTress colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. If you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below. Now, if you wear ARISTA, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Please leave your experience in the comments section under the video. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.